So, I'm in Metropolis, Illinois, the declared home of Superman, and guess who else lives here? That's right, Big John, at the Big John grocery store. How cool is he? Definitely made of fiberglass. I guess he's 25 to 30 feet tall, like the Muffler man. He is nice and sturdy. I love Big John. He's so happy. Just look at that smile. Just look at that. Hi, Big John. Through all kinds of weather, rain, wind, hail, snow, Big John stands at the road in Metropolis. I guess Walmart hasn't taken everything over. We still got a Big John here in Metropolis, Illinois.